We use this tractor mostly to just rake hay. My father used it for a number of things. We plowed with this tractor. Me and my brother has cultivated with this tractor, baled hay with this tractor. It was the only tractor that at one time that he had. This was the only tractor that was on the farm. My father purchased the tractor new in 1960, and it was the first year they came out with the 660s. He kept the tractor for 13 years, and he sold it. And it was gone for about 7 years, and he complained the whole time that it was gone. He really missed this tractor, and so he had sold it to two gentlemen, and he went back and looked them up, and one of them had sold it out to his brother-in-law, which they had purchased the tractor together. And so we found him, and Daddy went and bought it back. We're going to keep it in the family as long as somebody has some place to keep it. One of us, me or my two brothers, one of us will end up with the tractor, or it'll stay here on the farm, on this part of the farm, until one of them is deceased or whatever, and then it'll go to one of their kids. And I have a grandson, and it may end up with him sometime. But he remembers my father, and so he'll remember where the tractor came from.
Well, we've talked about it all year. 2019 has been full of pain, but it's agriculture's ability to turn some tribulations into triumphs. We'll share some stories with you in our annual Harvest of Thanks. That show's next.
Closed captioning is brought to you by BASF. Grow smart with BASF. We create chemistry.